Hello, respectable audience. 4 minus 7 times 7 minus 4. It's quite simple question because 7 minus 4 will be equal to 3. And 4 minus 7, it will results minus 3. Now here it is multiplication. So after multiplying both numbers, we will get minus 9. But remember that minus 9 is incorrect answer. There is mistake we have made. Now remove that mistake and solve the question again to get the correct answer. This question can be solved by order of operation Pemdas, which stands for parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Parenthesis, which is known as bracket, will be our priority. 4 minus 7 times 7 minus 4 will be equal to 3. Now, don't solve this portion first because it is subtraction. Here is multiplication. According to that order from top to bottom, we have multiplication first. So, 4 will be as it is minus 21. So, 4 minus 21 will be equal to minus 17, which will be our correct answer for this question. Thank you for your support.